Time. It's the one thing we can never get back. Yet so many of us let it slip through our fingers. Every minute wasted is a moment of your life you'll never see again. It's time to stop wasting your most valuable asset. Imagine this, a clock ticking, second by second, reminding you that time waits for no one. How much of that time have you spent scrolling through social media, watching TV, or procrastinating on things that don't matter? How many opportunities have you let pass because you were too busy doing nothing? You see, time doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care about your doubts or fears. It keeps moving forward, with or without you. The truth is, every second you spend on meaningless activities is a second stolen from your dreams, your goals, and your potential. You have the power to change your life, but it starts with how you spend your time. Focus on what truly matters. Set goals that push you to be better, and take action every single day. Even small steps will add up to significant progress if you stay consistent. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Don't wait for motivation. Generate it. Remember, success is not about having more time. It's about making the most of the time you have. So, stop wasting your time. Prioritize your passions. Invest in your future. Make every second count because once it's gone forever. Now is your moment. Don't let it slip away.